Hey guys, so we're having our first annual toy drive and photos with Santa, Bindrip. We've been here since 6:30. Everything's going good. It's still a long line. Presents are going, but hopefully everyone gets her. Thank you so much for everything.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh.
Laredo, thank you so much for stopping by to our first ever toy drive. Unfortunately, we were not able to get a gift for every single child that came, but we really appreciate it from the bottom of our heart for coming, taking your time to make line, even for coming at least for a cookie, a juice or something. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, it was a very successful night. We had almost a little bit over 200 cars. Majority of the cars got a present, but whoever didn't, thank you guys still for swinging by, supporting Bindrip, your local trash can cleaning and pressure washing business. Thank you guys so much. We truly appreciate you guys.
Thank you guys. God bless.
Thank you.